Good morning, guys. I am Sailesh Kumar from Ox Arya Coaching Center. Welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today, I am going to talk about trigonometrical identities and their proofs in the term of numerator and denominator part. And also, we shall study about power n form in the numerator and denominator. So let us proceed. The first formula is tan theta equal to sin theta upon cos theta, and the second one is sin square of theta divided by cos square theta will be equal to tan square theta, and the third one is cot theta will be equal to cos of theta upon sin of theta, and the fourth one is cos square of theta upon sin square of theta will be equal to cot square of theta, and tan to the power n theta will be equal to sin to the power n theta upon cos to the power n theta, and also cot to the power n theta will be equal to cos to the power n theta upon sin to the power n theta. This formula is very helpful for solving the trigonometrical identities and its proof according to exercises. So let us discuss one by one. So take a screenshot. Let's begin the very first formula. Tan of theta will be equal to sin of theta upon cos theta. This is the LHS and this is the RHS. So I would like to proceed it in the RHS. So RHS will be equal to sin of theta upon cos of theta. We already know that sin theta means if we take a triangle A, B and C. If we put theta here, that means the opposite side of the theta will be equal to P, and this is the B and this will be H. So sin theta means P upon H. P upon H divided by cos theta means B upon H. B upon H. So H cancel out with H, and after that we can written as P upon B. And in this ratio, we can already know that P by B is the form of tan theta. That means tan theta. Hence, RHS equal to LHS. LHS. Hence proved. And the second one is cot theta will be equal to cos of theta upon sin of theta. So I also take RHS in this question. RHS equal to cos of theta upon sin of theta. We already know that cot theta equal to cos theta upon sin theta, but here we have to prove. So RHS will be equal to cos theta upon sin theta. We already know that cos theta means B upon H and sin theta means P upon H. H cancel out with S, that means B upon H. Sorry, B upon P. B upon P means cot of theta. Hence, RHS equal to LHS. Now you can take screenshot. Dear students, let us talk about to prove that tan to the power n theta will be equal to sin to the power n theta and cos to the power n theta. That means tan to the power n theta will be equal to sin to the power n theta upon cos to the power n theta. How can we prove it? Let us talk. Firstly, we take LHS. LHS means tan to the power n of theta. Tan to the power n theta. That means according to definition of power, that means if we take a to the power n, what is the definition of a to the power n, or what is the meaning of a to the power n? A to the power n means a into a into a into a n times. That means we can say that if we a multiplied itself in the n times, we can say that a to the power n. According to definition of power, we can say that tan to the power n theta, that means tan of theta into tan of theta into tan of theta dot dot n times. Now take it easy. tan theta means sin of theta upon cos of theta into sin of theta upon cos of theta into sin of theta upon cos of theta, and so on. How many times? N times. That means this format can be proceed into n times. That means according to multiplication rule, we always remember that in the multiplication form, the multiplied in the numerator part always be with numerator and denominator always with denominator. That means systematic way, sin theta into sin theta into sin theta according to power form, sin to the power n theta, and also cos theta multiplied by cos theta multiplied by cos theta, that means cos to the power n theta. Hence LHS equal to RHS. Proved. Dear students, in my teaching life, I heard many times, many students says that, sir, we can't learn this type of formulae because it is very lengthy or it is very Confucius. So I would like to sing a song, and after that it will be make you very comfortable to learn this formula. So the formula is tan theta equal to sin of theta upon cos of theta, or sin theta upon cos theta equal to tan theta, as well cot theta equal to cos theta upon sin theta, or cos theta upon sin theta will be equal to cot theta. So I would like to sing a song for learning the two formulae, because these two formulae utilized many times in the solving the problems of trigonometrical identities and different type of critical problems. So let's begin. क्या आपको एहसास है साइन कॉस का दिल टैन के पास है, कॉस साइन का दिल कॉट के पास है, साइन कॉस का दिल टैन के पास है, टैन के पास है. Thank you for watching.